So for today's lesson, we are doing rational numbers. At this point, we're going to go ahead and do a fraction into a decimal. Okay, so again, a fraction. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and pull our fraction, which is 18/25. I am going to show you two ways to do this this process. One is the actual manual way where we need to do a process. The other is with a calculator. Okay, so manually we do want to get our denominator to either a 10, a hundreds, or a thousands. That would be easy. That would make it easier to convert into a decimal. So with our 25, we know that it is bigger than a 10. So we're going to head over to a 100. How do we get into a 100? We multiply by 4. What you do to the bottom, you must do to the top. And 18 times 4 is 72. This now is our new fraction. Okay, now if we read it, it is 72 hundredths. That name at the end is what is going to indicate where our number shall be placed in our decimal. So it is 72 hundredths. So we have 72 hundredths now. We're going to go ahead and now add the actual decimal that was there in the beginning of our math sentence. So it's 2 3/10 plus 72 hundredths. We know that we must annex a 0 here. So as we add, we get 3 2/100. Now in a calculator, if you are using a calculator, all you would need to do, and I'm going to go ahead and come over here on this side, is on your calculator, you will input the number as 18, which is our numerator, divided by 25. And that should give you 2 hundredths. Okay, I'm sorry, not 2 hundredths, 72 hundredths, excuse me, 72 hundredths. Okay, so using the calculator is very easy. It is a tool that you can use to convert your decimals into fractions. Okay, so the next video that will be linked below will be for changing a decimal into a fraction.